Welcome student. As like the central board, Maharashtra board also has decided to reduce the portion by 25% for this academic year due to COVID-19. In this video, myself Kavita Kopane going to present the syllabus of Science 1 of Standard 10th. We will start with the lesson number 1, page number. Along with the page number, I will tell you the topics which has to be cancelled. There you can write the cancelled, you can write the COVID also. It's better if you write the COVID only, because next year the students are going to use the same books. So they may get confused, because the next year this portion will not be omitted. For this year only, because of the COVID-19, this portion is omitted for you. So it's better you either put a cross or write the COVID there, so while doing the study it will not be confusing yourself. Now on the page number 1, first lesson, the COVID, because of the COVID-19, the use of ICT, that topic is omitted. The questions will not be asked on that you have need not to do the study of that lesson. Next, come to the next page. On the next page, the activity which is given for the centripetal force, this activity we need not to do it. Rest of the things we have to do the study. So there you can put a cross and you can write there COVID there. Then here the information about the scientist is given. Okay, introduction to the scientist of Isaac Newton is given. That is also omitted. So there also you write down the COVID. Then come to the next page. Come to the directly page number 4. On that page number 4 also you have, it is given page the information regarding the scientist John Kepler, that is omitted. Okay, because of the COVID, that will not be asked in the exams over there. Then here the page number on that, the ESF, that is also little bit omitted. Next, on page number 5, that is little bit confusing topic for all of you, so that is also good news for you, that the derivation here it is given to you, that is omitted. So paragraph number, if a planet is revolving around the sun, from there till the here conclusion of the Isaac Newton, it is given. Till there the statement is reduced because of the COVID. There on the last, there it is given use of brain power, that is also cut due to the COVID. Come to the next page, page number 6. Here also on page number 6, use of brain power and do you know, these two topics are omitted due to COVID there. Next on the page, you can come on the page number 7. On the page number 7, the activity was given to you, that is to collect the information, that is also omitted. So right there COVID. Along with me, if you have the book, you can better do it fastly so that it will not confuse you. Then on page number 9, we can commit. On page number 9, the difference between the mass and weight was given to you, that is also omitted. Then below that, the information was given in the box, that is also omitted. There also you write down the COVID-19. Then come to the page number 10 and 11. On both the pages, the information do you know is omitted. There also you write, put a cut mark and there COVID. Then page number 11 also the topic is omitted. Then come to the next one. Come to the directly page number 14. On that also, do you know, that also is some of the interesting topics which is given. Now if it is omitted, it doesn't mean that you need not to do the study. These topics are omitted. Yes, they are not going to ask in the exam, but you have to do the self study of it. Then come to the lesson number 2, that is the periodic classification of the elements. In that also the first page, near about full first page is omitted. First paragraph is omitted. Yes, Daubernier's triad, that is the meaning and the definition, the law is given over there, and only one example you have to just do the study. Second and third example is omitted over there. So just you should know that, because it is related with the 11th standard chemistry, so this they can't omit it. Then next one, on page number 17, you can see here the information was given to you regarding the law, that is omitted. Here the table which is arranged all the elements in that is because of the COVID, it is omitted. Then on the next page, here introduction to the scientist, that is also omitted. It is omitted means you have to do the self study, you have to just read it out at least once. Then on next page, page number 19, use your brain power, there it is little bit omitted. Come to the next page, that is on page number 21. Use your brain power. Some questions are given 1 to 4. That is also omitted due to the COVID year. Next one, page number 22. Page number 22, can you tell? The 4 questions are given. That 4 questions also are omitted due to COVID. That some of the things are necessary, so they kept it over there. So you have to keep in mind. Page number 24. On page number 24, the 3 questions, can you recall? 1, 2 and 3 questions are there. That is also omitted. Then next to the next pages, all the informations are there. Page number 28 now. Okay, before that you come to the page number 27. On the page number 27 also, here in the last it is given, use the internet and collect the information. Okay, that topic is omitted. Read the following reference books from the library and all, that is also omitted. Okay, that you have to, just for the extra knowledge, you can just for the reference you can do it, but the questions will not be asked on these topics. Next, on the page number 28, there the information is given, do you know? That is also omitted. Okay, then next one is next lesson is third lesson, chemical reaction and equation. In that also the first 3 paragraphs, can you recall? Then the chemical reaction and the table it is given. So all these things, 3 things are omitted in the from the lesson over there. Next one, the activities are given to you. That activities or the experiments, if it is omitted, then these activities will be, or the experiments will be covered during the practical. The teachers are going to explain it over there. If it is omitted here, then page number 31 only, find out. Their paragraph is there. They have told you to find out something, that is also omitted. So question based on this topic or this thing will not be asked to you. Then come to the page number 33 directly. On the page number 33, this topic they are going to explain it during the experiments, during the practical. Your teachers are going to explain it during the practical. Then here, the do you know and find out, that will not be asked, that you need not to do the study there. Then page number 35, use your brain power. All the 3 questions, they are omitted. That is, you write down there COVID. Then page number 36 also, use your brain power. Here, use your brain power. All the 3 questions are omitted due to COVID. Then most of the syllabus is omitted just to make your study easier. So for that purpose it is given. Here also the experiment activity was there, so that experiment was omitted. This will be explained to you during the experiment, during the practicals. So this topic you can cut it over. Here write down the COVID. Then below that also, use your brain power. Can you tell? That is also omitted. Do it fast so that you will not miss anything. Page number 41. On page number 41, do you know? That topic is omitted for you. Then page number 42 also, some of the topics are there again. Here, do you know? That is extra information it is. This you have to do the self-study for yourself. Questions will not be asked to you on these topics. Use your brain power. 2 questions are there. That is also omitted in this COVID. Then can you tell? On the next page you can see here. That is page number 43. On that the first question, or can you tell? There the question is there. Okay, that is also omitted. On that same page, here the question is, do you know? Information was given. So that is also omitted. Then on the page number 44, one activity was given, that is to find out. You have to find out the silver utensils and the patinated brass utensils cleaned over there, how they are done. So that you need not to find it out. For your information, for your study, you can self-study, you can do it. But the questions will not be asked to you in the exams. Then come to the next one, that is the 4th chapter, electric current chapter. On that also, the first page near about full page is cancelled due to COVID over there. All these things are revision actually. So this you have learned in 9th standard. So this you must be knowing. Then on the next page, nothing is there. On page number 49 it is there. On page number 49, in the box it is given always remember. Okay, that is cancelled. and on the same page find out, that is given. So questions will not be asked in, that is for the self study. Okay, eliminated means for the self study only it is. Next one, do you know, again on page number 50, that is also eliminated. Page number 50 only, solved examples are there, two solved examples are there, 1 and 2, they are also omitted, they will not be asked in the exams. Page number 52, on the page number 52, again the introduction to the scientist, that is omitted, always remember that is omitted. Okay, next on page number, directly come to the 57. On page number 57, gallanometer was given, that gallanometer topic is omitted for you. So questions will not be asked to you what is the use of gallanometer, and the structure cannot be asked to you in the exam, so that is omitted. Then on page number 58, again you can see the introduction to the scientist, that is omitted. On page number 55, the AC current was there, AC and DC current it is there, that is also omitted due to COVID, so that you have to do the self study. On the page number 60, here what will be required to make the DC generator, that topic, that last paragraph is omitted due to COVID. Come to the next one, that is the heat lesson. In the heat lesson, this is a experimental based questions, so this is not going to come in the exam, this is for just for the practicals here. So during the practical the teachers will explain it. Okay, that is also omitted due to COVID now. Next on the, here in the heat lesson, maximum syllabus is same only, very few of them is omitted. Come to the page number 69 directly, there the use of the ICT, you have to collect some information and you have to prepare some presentation, that work is omitted, that is a project. Okay, so that is omitted from this lesson. Then on page number 70, the example number 3 is there, so that type of examples will not be asked to you in the exam, so that also you will be relaxed for that. Okay, many of them they are getting tensed for that numericals also, so you get the relaxation. Next chapter is the refraction of the light. In the refraction of the light chapter, you can see here activity number 2 and activity number 3, they are just omitted, they will be explained to you during the practicals by the teachers of yours. Then next one on this page, page number 75 also, the refractive index of some of the substances are given. There also the second column, this 1 is omitted, only these 3, and if numericals will be asked, so on this only it will be asked to you here. Okay, this table is there, so this information of this much only will be there, this you need not to do the study. Next one is the refraction of the light. In that page number 77, you can come to here there. On page number 77, use your brain power. Some questions are asked on that, so that will not be asked to you, that is also omitted from the syllabus there. Next on the next page nothing is there. On page next lesson is there, that is the lenses. Now lenses topic, actually it is related to your life, it is important, you should learn all these things. So from this lesson also they have just reduced very few of the things it is, okay, which is based on the practical, that is only they have reduced. So page number 82, on that page number 82, the topic was there that this activity is given, try this, that will be explained to you during the practical exams only, that is not covered up in the study. Then the rest one, very less, I told, very less of the things are in cancelled from this lesson. Extra information if it is there, that is only get cancelled here. So on page number 87, the information about the eyeball is given, that is cancelled, means in the exam it will not come, but you have to do the self study of it. Then next one we have to come to the page number 90, on that the telescope is there. See, on page number 90, the telescope, that is for the self study, that is also omitted from your syllabus. Then come to the next lesson, that is the metallurgy. On the metallurgy, in the metallurgy chapter also the last paragraph, physical properties of the non-metals, that is reduced. Can you tell? That is also reduced. That is for the self study there. Okay, next page also you will see here, do you know is there on page number 94. That is also cancelled just because of the COVID. If COVID will not be there, then you must have not be that much lucky. Okay, so because of the COVID you got the relaxation. Many of the topics are now this mostly for 5 marks, the questions mostly comes in the exams also, but now this is omitted, so these questions will not be asked to you in the examination, but for the in the practical they can just explain, the teachers will explain you and you can do the self study of this. So big questions which we are based on this one, that will not come here. Then come to the next one, page number 98. There also the properties of ionic bond, okay, that is reduced. That is not going to be asked to you, means what will happen if this and this will happen, like this. Okay, now this separation methods of this metallurgy chapter is there, that is important, okay, which is related to your future study, so that's why they have not omitted. Then page number 102, do you know, that is released, that is omitted. Then very less of the topics are reduced from this lesson. Then the carbon compounds, come to the carbon compound, lesson number 9. On that also page number 110, the first for 3 questions, they are reduced. That is based on the old syllabus, means 9th standard, so that is omitted. Then here also the page number 112, do you know, that is also omitted. In carbon compounds chapter, directly come to the page number 127. There in the box it is given the do you know, that is omitted, that is omitted from the syllabus. Page number 128, information about the gasoline alcohol is given over there, that is omitted because of the COVID. Then come to the page number 131, 132, 133. These 3 pages are omitted from the syllabus. Means literally a big topic which is related to each other, the formulas and the definition and all those things, they are totally reduced. So here page number 131, page number 132, which is related to 131 only. Okay, page number 132, and that is totally omitted. And page number 133 here, structure it we have to define here, that is still there, the portion is omitted of carbon compounds. Then the space mission, in that on come to the last lesson, that is the space mission, do you know, in that also can you recall and can you tell, all the 3 topics are omitted. Come to the next page. On the next page, use of ICT is there, page number 136 here, so that is also omitted from your syllabus. Then on the page, the say 139, do you know, information was there, that is also omitted from your syllabus. So this you need not to do the study thoroughly, for just for information you can do it, but that will not be going to ask in the exams. On page number 141 also again, do you know, a type of information is there, so that is also omitted. Next page number 142, the information regarding the scientists were there, astronomers are there, so their information it is given, this one. And the next page it is there, that is of Vikram Sarabhai, that information is going just omitted from your syllabus. So like this the portion is reduced for the science 1. In the last of this video I have just posted the PDF of the government, in that also the page numbers and the lesson numbers are given, that is given in the Marathi. For our convenience only, I just made this video for you in English. Thanks for listening. This is the PDF of lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10. With the help of this only I did in the textbook for you. Thank you for watching.